Ever felt like you walked into a party and everyone got a secret memo you missed? Like suddenly everyone's an expert on artisanal cheese, indie films from Uruguay, or the subtle nuances of 18th century German poetry. And you just stand there like, so, you guys like bread? Yeah, that feeling. A French sociologist named Pierre Bourdieu gave it a name. Cultural capital. And trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. It's basically the cool stuff, you know, the skills you have, and the things you own that help you climb the social ladder. It's like a social superpower! Bourdieu broke it down into 3 types. First, the embodied state. This is the stuff in your head and body. It's knowing which fork to use at a fancy dinner. It's your accent, your posture, the way you can casually drop a reference to a classic novel. Think of my friend Aisha. She grew up in a family of musicians, so she can talk about concertos and sonatas like it's the weather. That's her embodied cultural capital. Next, we have the objectified states. These are the physical things you own. A sports car, a fancy house, or a degree hanging on your wall. My buddy Rob has a collection of rare contemporary art prints. When people visit his apartment, they don't just see cool pictures. They see someone with taste and knowledge. The art itself is his objectified cultural capital. It screams, I'm sophisticated without him saying a word. Finally, there's the institutionalized state. This is the big one. It's your formal recognition, like a degree from a prestigious university. When Maria gets a job offer, her degree from that top-tier school isn't just a piece of paper. It's a signal to employers that she has a certain level of knowledge and belongs to an elite group. It's cultural capital, rubber-stamped and made official. So, cultural capital is this invisible currency we're all using. It's why 2 people with the same amount of money can have totally different social experiences. It's not about being better than anyone else. Bourdieu just gave us a map to understand the hidden rules of the social game we're all playing. It's why sometimes you feel like you just get it, and other times you feel like you're trying to eat soup with a fork. So next time you feel out of place, just remember, Bourdieu. You're not weird, you're just experiencing a deficit in a specific type of cultural capital. Maybe it's time to start watching some Uruguayan indie films. Or just be proud of the capital you do have. Like knowing all the lyrics to every pop song from 2007. That's a skill too, right? If you enjoyed this little dive into sociology, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what kind of cultural capital you've noticed in your own life. Thanks for watching.